So, you want to cook steak at home? Cute, because nothing screams, "I've got my life together," like sizzling beef on a pan instead of sad microwave noodles. Don't worry, by the end of this, you'll be flipping steak like you're auditioning for a Food Network show nobody asked for. Step 1. Pick your steak. Ribeye, sirloin, New York strip. Honestly, they're all good. Just don't show up with a thin, floppy cut and expect Michelin star results. That's not a steak, that's beef jerky's awkward cousin. Step 2. Seasoning. People act like it's rocket science. It's literally salt and pepper. That's it. If you're dumping garlic powder, paprika, and 17 herbs on it, you're not cooking steak, you're making a casserole. Keep it simple, babe. Step 3. The pan. Cast iron if you've got it, non-stick if you're basic, and if you're using a tiny camping pan. Just stop, go order takeout, get that pan screaming hot. We're not warming up leftovers here, we're branding a cow. Step 4. The sear. Drop that steak down and do not touch it. I know you want to poke it with a fork like it's a TikTok dance, but resist. Let it get that crust. You want your steak looking like it's been sunbathing in Miami. Crispy, golden, and a little bit bougie. Step 5. The flip. Only once. That's right. This isn't Tinder. You don't keep swiping. Flip it, sear the other side, and let it vibe. Step 6. Butter batter. Toss in some butter, garlic, maybe a sprig of rosemary if you're feeling fancy. Tilt the pan and spoon that melted goodness all over your steak like it's spa day at the Ritz. This is the moment where you feel rich, even if your rent is late. Step 7. Rest it. Don't you dare slice it yet. Resting the steak lets the juices settle. Cut it too soon, and congrats, you've made beef soup. And finally, slice against the grain. Not sure what that means? Look at the lines on the steak. Cut across them, not with them. If you mess this up, don't worry, the steak police won't come for you, but your teeth might file a complaint. And there you have it, steak for beginners, served with a side of sass. Next time someone says, "You can't cook," just throw ribeye on the table and watch them rethink their life choices. So go on, chef, turn your kitchen into a 5-star steakhouse. Or at least a 1-bedroom Airbnb with good lighting. If you love this crash course in steak sassery, hit that like button, subscribe for more delicious chaos, and drop your steak questions in the comments. Because I know some of y'all are still wondering if medium well is acceptable. Spoiler, it's not.